We're Mark and Debs, aka the Wanderin Wilds, and this is our second collaboration video. We hope you enjoy it. Find out in this episode why we chose this to be our new van.
Yeah, I don't know how many we're up to now, we've lost count.
Action! So here we are again.
Yeah, we haven't been back from the group yet, have we? We've been allowed back.
Yeah, only just allowed back. Right, so we're here to film our second collab
video.
And it is reasons you bought your van, isn't it?
It is,
Yeah. The reason we bought the van
Yep, reason number one we bought the van.
was because of the fixed bed.
It was, because of the fixed bed. That was a priority for us, wasn't it, the next motorhome? It had to have a fixed bed.
Yeah, don't get me wrong, we loved our old motorhome, didn't we?
Yeah, absolutely. We loved it to pieces.
The layout and everything was amazing, but just getting, when you've had a few drinks, which we tend to do occasionally,
For us, a priority when getting another van was getting a fixed bed, wasn't it?
Yeah. And we did also used to sleep in the overcab bed. Mark used to bang his head.
I used to wake up in the night, sit up and bang my head. And there was this one night where I'd banged my head that hard I thought I'd gone through the roof. And I didn't sleep all night for the stress of putting a hole in the roof in the overcab bed.
It could have leaked on me.
Exactly, I couldn't sleep. I thought I'd literally put my head through the roof.
I could have drowned.
This van is absolutely full of gadgets, and there's pretty much a remote control for everything here. It's just a shame it didn't come with one for Debbie. Just press the off button. So yeah, full of remote controls. So we've got loads and loads of different remote controls for everything, for TVs, for the satellite dish, for the stereo system. We've got remotes for the air conditioning. We've got remote controls for the entire van system. And there's a few others lying around for different lights and stuff like that. So yeah, full of remote controls. Love toys, love gadgets, love everything at the press of a fingertip.
Yes.
Yeah.
So.
Off. Yeah, it doesn't work. I think the batteries have gone.
But you see, I don't know what half these things do, and you shout at me because you go, oh, press the remote, and I'm like, which one?
It's like, which one?
Well, get
which
the remote,
button?
which one?
You know, you just haven't learnt what button does what in this van yet, have you?
No, I haven't.
No.
What does this one do again?
It's for the van, that one. So you've forgotten already, haven't you?
It doesn't do anything. Look.
Hey, which button have you pressed? Okay, the other reason why we chose the van, it's a newer van than our old one. With a newer van, it's more insulated. I know that sounds like something that just like a minor thing, but it makes a massive difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, we used to get quite a lot of drafts in our old van, and we do a lot of winter camping.
We do.
An awful lot.
Yeah.
We camp at Christmas time, don't we?
Yeah, absolutely. We've been out on Christmas Day, we've had Christmas dinner in the van, and the insulation on these newer vans is brilliant. The heating options we've got.
Yes.
We've got plenty of heating options. We've got blown air heating, we've got the gas fire. It just makes it more comfortable, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. What is well, it's more modern, it's easier to drive.
Yeah.
It's light on the steering. It's Tiptronic, isn't it?
Yeah, it's called
Which
Comformatic, so it's either automatic or manual, whichever you want, so that means you've got no excuse not to drive it.
I do drive.
You do, now and again.
Drove it the other week.
Very rare.
And I did a good job, didn't I?
You did actually, yeah, I think you should do it more often.
Yeah, it gives me a headache.
It gives me a headache.
It's driving!
Hallelujah! Such a good driver, but she won't drive the motorhome, so this is like a one and only. You won't see this very often, but there we go. Debbie is actually, look, I really am going to prove it. Look, the steering wheel, she is actually out the windscreen and driving us home.
Another reason we chose the motorhome was for the size of the garage. It's got 150 kgs carrying capacity, double doors, so one either side, and loads of space for carrying tables, chairs, barbecues, toolkits, you name it, you can pack it in that motorhome garage because it's huge.
I'll show you inside the boot. It's easy opening, it's got 2 locks. Oh, and it's got a security lock in it. I forgot to mention that. Security lock.
Where have you been? It's cramped in here. Just to give you a quick look inside the garage, yeah, you can see the amount of stuff we carry in the back of the van. In the back of the van there, you can see that it goes straight through inside the van. So there's access from inside also into the garage without having to come on the outside. And you can see we've built a little platform in the back there which we sit the dog crates on. And the dogs sleep in the garage at night time, but they've got access inside the van. They don't travel in the back of the motorhome in the garage there, they travel elsewhere inside the van. This video forms part of a YouTube collaboration group with other content creators. Make sure you have a look down in the description, follow the links to their channel and see what those guys are saying. Don't forget to give them a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to their channel as well.
Yeah, and don't forget to comment, because we like comments.
We've got no idea. No idea.
Because it had a good stereo?
Yeah, a flashy lights. Electric step.
Electric step. Cuddly toy.
Cuddly toy, yeah. All the real reasons you'd buy a van, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it too far away now?
Oh, I'll see. Don't forget, this is the Mark show.
Exactly. Get your arm off those blinds. So this is the next collab video. Sorry, picking up my cup there. Oh, did I show you? It's a bit of merch. Facebook, YouTube,
merch plug.
YouTube and Insta.
I'm shaking the camera around again.
Sit still.
Not going to record much because it's gone dark again. Is it because that top you're wearing seems to just picked you up all of a sudden and I'm in the dark?
Yeah,
You don't take your top off.
We're always in the dark.